Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hussein is here with another video, and today actually is another weekend. Today I'm planning to wash and detail my Honda XR650L. This lady right here. Ooh. So yeah, I've done a lot of rides on this bike, like especially during the last fall and winter, and I never cleaned it up. So I think this is the best time since the weather is nice. Wash it off, degrease, and then lube the chains and everything. So let me show you. So starting from the fender, you can see all the dirt on the headlight area, on the fender, you know. Overall it's like really dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna wash all this stain off of the bike, and I'm actually gonna remove the plate because that's the old plate and I've got a new plate. So yeah, I'll do that as well. And the seat, as you can see, there are a bit of stains on the seat, so I'm gonna wash those off as well, and you know, add a little bit shine. And this is another area that I really want to clean it up, because you know, it's like really dirty and it just, the blue is completely faded. So all right, I think I'm ready. As you can see, these are all the things that I'm gonna need to wash the bike. First, a bucket and a brush, then simple green or any sort of like all-purpose cleaner to remove the stain and like oil and grease, then some soap for washing and waxing the plastics. Then I'm gonna use this tire shine to shine the tires and some of the plastics, and then I'm gonna start lubricating the components, which I'm gonna use the WD-40, that bar and chain, like specifically for chain obviously, and some elbow grease, which is, I'm gonna use that for the brake components, wheel bearing, and all that stuff. All right, now that I soaked the bike with water, I'm gonna use some simple green to just spray all over the bike and leave it sit for like 5 minutes, and then begin the next step. So as you just saw, I rinsed the bike after using the simple green, and then I applied like a second round of simple green, and I left it to sit. But right now I'm gonna use the Mr. Clean, the magic foams, which they do the job perfectly to clean up like the deep stains from the seat and from the plastic. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to remove those and then rinse the bike one more time. not gonna rinse the bike actually. I'm gonna use the soap to basically apply a coat of soap and water over the simple green, and then use my brush and then wash everything off of the bike. like anytime that I wash my cars or motorcycles, you know, just I fall in love again with them. That's what I say. So yeah, before continuing with the bike, actually I have something to show you. This is a sticker, Explore More, with the American flag. So I got this sticker in our road trip from California Highway 1. Since this sticker is very special to me, I'm thinking about putting it maybe right here or right here. Not sure yet. All right, so it's time for lubricating the bike. So I normally, when I want to do the greasing, I use one of these thingies. I don't know what it's called. It's for the ears. So instead of using my fingers, actually I use one of these. I grab some grease and then I take the grease and I put it in the areas that they need greasing. So yeah, I apply a good amount of grease there, and then I'm gonna use the same thing in all the wheel bearings, right here around the kickstand, and then front wheel as well. And then to lube the chain, I use a simple syringe to grab some chain oil from my chain oil container. There we are. And then simply going to apply this oil on top of the chain, like truly all over it. Just gotta make sure to lube the chain properly, because that's, I believe, like the most important part of the chain of the bike. So just like this. And here it comes the cool part, which is applying the tire shine to the tires. It just makes a significant difference in the look of the bike. And then let's do this. Then we're gonna move the bike a little bit. Right, and then we're gonna apply the remaining areas, which was look at her. She seems pretty happy, right? Yeah.